Good morning, sir. Today, I will perform the activity 2, which is the contemporary word subject. First, number 1. What is the relevance of Bretton Woods institution such as the IMF and the World Bank in the today's globalized world? For me, the Bretton Woods institutions is a primary international monetary fund (IMF). They have facing contribute to global economy, stability, and development. Their policies of the World Bank focuses on providing loans and grants for infrastructure projects also have been subjected to the legitimate criticism. Number 2 is, what does the history of the Bretton Woods tell us? For me, the history of the Bretton Woods, established in 1944, initially aimed to create a stable international monetary system based on fixed in exchange rates to US dollar, which is turned convertible to gold. It is important to know the limitation of fixed exchange also underscores the of changing economic condition, capability of the responding to global economic crisis and promoting sustainable development. And then, how far shall we trust its institutions, given the criticism and blunders provided by Stiglitz? For me, we can trust this institution depends on their willingness to address this criticism and adapt the evolving changes of the 21st century. Yes, by Stiglitz instance where the criticism and blunders is leading to the economic crisis, social needs for greater transparency, accountability, and democratic participation in the decision-making process of these institutions. Thank you.